Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, save a copy of the workbook to a separate folder so you preserve the original, and then close any heavy apps to free memory. Once done, launch Excel in safe mode by holding Control while opening it. This disables COM and Excel add-ins that commonly hang the program. Make sure to note whether the file is on a network drive. If it is, copy it to a local drive first. These steps isolate the file and environment before deeper fixes. Once Excel opens in safe mode, run a quick repair of Office through programs and features to fix core application issues. If safe mode fails, try online repair. Next, attempt recovery. Use File Open Recover Unsaved Workbooks and check the Auto Recover folder for a recent version. If the workbook opens but is unstable, copy visible sheets one by one into a new blank file. This strips corrupt objects, external links, and volatile. Finish by disabling hardware graphics acceleration in Excel options, because GPU rendering can create hangs. Then update Office and Windows and reboot to apply changes. If the file remains unresponsive, open it on another machine to confirm environment causes, or create a new blank workbook and import ranges to rebuild it. One key troubleshooting tip. If Excel still won't open the workbook, rename the XLSX to zip and extract the worksheets as XML to salvage raw data. This recovers values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.